Chat is the wrong interface for AI agents, and yet almost every AI app today looks like a chatbot. You type something, it replies with a text. Formatted well, but at the end of the day, it's just a conversation thread. That worked when AI was only answering questions. But agents today don't just answer, they run workflows. They schedule tasks, they trigger payments. They pause for your approval. So why are we forcing autonomous systems into a messaging interface? That's where generative UI comes. Gen UI means the agent doesn't just returns text, it returns interface components. You, the developer, pre-built UI components like cards, tables, chats, and whatever required. They already exist inside your app. At runtime, the agent chooses the right component and fills it with the data. Instead of saying like the weather is 24 degrees and cloudy, it renders the weather component. Instead of asking with a plain text, are you sure you want to delete this? It triggers a confirmation model and waits for you. The agent stops being text generator and becomes a part of an interface. This matters because chat breaks the moment agent become powerful. To know more about Gen UI, you should know about A2UI and AG-UI. They sound similar, right? They are not. AGUI defines what the agent wants to render. It's a generative UI specification. Instead of sending arbitrary code, the agent sends structured UI descriptions that render across platforms. A2UI answer what should appear on the screen. AGUI is the communication layer. It is an event-based protocol that standardizes how the front-end and agent backend talks in real time. So AGUI answers how do they stay in the sync together. They separate concerns. Rendering is one layer, communication is another. Your app logic is another. Because of this separation, you can swap agents, frameworks without rewriting your UI, and you can evolve your front end without breaking agent logic. That's what making this scalable. Now the practical question, do you have to build all this yourself? Not necessary. CopilotKit has open sourced a full generative UI stack for React. It integrates with frameworks like LangGraph, CrewAI, and others. It supports AGUI, A2UI, and MCP styled interactions out of the box. So instead of writing custom glue code between your agents and your front end, you plug into a unified interface. And the bigger picture is this. We are moving from AI that talks to AI that operates. Chat was phase 1. Agent-driven interactions are phase 2. If you are building AI apps right now, understanding generative UI is not optional. It's the difference between building a chatbot and building a AI native product. And the teams that get this early will define what software looks like in the agentic era. If this helped you clearly think about where AI interfaces are going, subscribe to the channel and like the video, because this shift is just getting started.